Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place is Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Srinagar. Temperature is 10 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade, 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade, 20 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade, 5 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. Write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Right? That means here you see Siachen temperature is 10 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. That is minus 10 degree. Here below. Draw, if we draw a number line, this is 0 and above 0 it is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is plus, positive, right? And it is minus, that is minus 1 is negative, minus 1 below 0 degree, minus 1, 1, it is minus 2, this is minus 3, right? It is said there is tendency below 0 degree centigrade. Below means minus, negative, right? There is 10 degree centigrade below 0 degree centigrade is minus 10 degree centigrade, minus 10 degree centigrade, right? Now question number B. Question number B is similar. 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degree, 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degree. That means it is minus, right? It is minus. That is minus 2 degree centigrade, minus 2 degree centigrade, right? Next question. 30 degree centigrade above 0 degree. Here you see above is positive and below is negative. Above positive, that is 30 degree centigrade above 0 degree, that is plus 30 degree centigrade, plus 30 degree centigrade, 30 degree centigrade. Next is 20 degree centigrade above 0 degree centigrade. 20 degree centigrade above 0. Above means positive. Therefore, plus 20 degree centigrade. 20 degree centigrade. Now Srinagar. 5 degree centigrade below 0 degree. Below means minus, right? That is minus 5 degree centigrade. Right? Now question number B. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. Right? Now CHN is at minus 10. Therefore minus 10 is here. Therefore this is the CHN. Here we can write it here as CHN at the value of minus 10. This is minus 10. That is, it is CHN. Right? This is minus 10. Next, Shimla minus 2 degree. Shimla is minus 2. Here you see it is 0. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. That is at this point. You see this point. It is Shimla. Right? At this point it is Shimla. It is Shimla. S. That is S. H. I. M. L. A. Shimla. Right? That is minus 2. Ahmedabad plus 30. Plus 30 is here. You see this is Ahmedabad plus 30. Therefore, this point is Ahmedabad. A. H. M. E. D. A. Ahmedabad. B. A. D. Right? This is Ahmedabad. Next is Delhi plus 20. Delhi is plus 20. Therefore, this point is Delhi. Therefore, we write here as Delhi. This is Delhi, right? This is Delhi, that is 20 degree plus 20, right? And Srinagar 5 minus 5 degree, minus 5 is here, you see, that is, this is minus 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, this point is minus 5, that is, this is Srinagar, this point is Srinagar, you see, this one is Srinagar. I am writing here Srinagar, S R I, Srinagar, N A G A R, this is Srinagar, right? We got all the name of the place and also plotting the number against its temperature. Now, which is the coolest place? Coolest. Now, coolest means in the left side. Here you see, in the left side is the coolest place. That is minus 10 degree. That is Siachen. You see Siachen. That is what is the coolest place. Therefore, answer of C. What is the question? Which is the coolest place? Here you see the coolest place is minus 10 degrees centigrade, that is Siachen. Therefore, we can write here as Siachen. This is the answer of question number C. Now question number D. Write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees centigrade. Above 10. That means more than 10 degrees centigrade is this one. More than 10 degree is 20 degrees centigrade and 30 degrees centigrade, right? That means we write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees centigrade, that is at 20 degrees centigrade it is Delhi, and at 30 degrees centigrade it is Ahmedabad. Therefore, the answer for D is Delhi and Ahmedabad. Right? This is the solution of question number 5, exercise 6.1. Let us repeat once again. That is, following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. That means 10 degrees centigrade below 0 degree, below means minus, that is minus 10 degrees centigrade, 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degree, that is minus 2 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade above 0 degree, above means plus, that is plus 30 degrees centigrade, 20 degrees centigrade above 0 degree, that is plus 20 degrees centigrade, 5 degrees centigrade below 0 degree, that is minus 5 degrees centigrade. Write the temperatures. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees. Plot the name of the city. Right. The first city is, that is CHN is minus 10. Therefore, here you see this is minus 10. Here you see this is minus 10. Right. Therefore, this is CHN. Right. Next is Shimla is minus 2, and Shimla here is see there is 0, minus 1, minus 2. This is Shimla. Right. Then Ahmedabad is plus 30. Ahmedabad, this is plus 30. Therefore, this is Ahmedabad. Plus 20 is at Delhi. Delhi is at plus 20. Therefore, this is Delhi. Srinagar is at minus 5. Srinagar is minus 5. Therefore, at this point 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is Srinagar. Right? Now, which is the coolest place? Here see minus 10 degrees centigrade, that is Siachen. Therefore, Siachen is the coolest place. And D, write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees centigrade. Above 10 degree, that means 20 degrees centigrade, and 30 degrees centigrade, that is the place cities are Delhi and Ahmedabad. Here you see Delhi and Ahmedabad. This is the solution of question number 5, exercise 6.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.